Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Chetna et aujourd'hui on va commencer avec les verbes irréguliers en français. Unlike the normal verbs in French, we also have some verbs which do not get conjugated according to any particular rule. There are verbs which have family, like prendre, which have a lot of verbs under their family which are conjugated alike, but not as their endings. Like there are not er or ir or re based verbs. Let's see the first one, être. Now you would say that it ends with re, so it should be conjugated with the endings like ss, nothing, ons, ez, and ent. But no, être has its own conjugation. Let's see. Je suis, tu es, il, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. The next one we have is avoir. Avoir means to have. Like we use avoir to say the age. J'ai 10 ans. I am 10 years. That is how we say that in French, right? So, j'ai, tu as, il, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils, elles ont. Let's go ahead. Aller. Aller means to go. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. Now, basically, many people tend to make this mistake, but it is not il, elle, al with ent. Instead, it is vont. The next one is faire. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils, elles font. Here, what the mistake is, vous faisiez. No, it's not vous, F-A-I-S-E-Z. Instead, it's F-A-T-E-S. Let's go ahead. Boire. Je bois, tu bois, ils, elles ont boire, nous buvons, vous buvez, ils, elles boivent. Prendre. Prendre is a family verb with apprendre and comprendre. Prendre means to take, apprendre means to learn, comprendre means to understand. Je prends, tu prends, il, elle prend, nous prenons, vous prenez, ils, elles prennent. Recevoir. Now, recevoir, voir, croire, apercevoir, all of these are a family. These are conjugated very alike, like reçoit, 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 recevons, recevez, reçoivent. Here, there is no cedille in the verb itself, the infinitive of the verb, but when we conjugate, there comes a cedille in not on nous and vous, but on rest of the subject pronouns. But in voir, there is no situation of cedille, so it's very simple. Voir, 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 voyons, voyez, voyez. Mettre, to put. Met, met, met. Mettons, mettez, met. This means that it is again a group, a family of the verbs. So we have permettre, promettre, et compromettre. Permettre means to allow, promettre is to promise, compromettre is to compromise. Pouvoir. Pouvoir and vouloir are two such verbs which have to be used in almost all of our daily lives. Like, je peux avoir une café, s'il vous plaît? Puis-je entrer dans la classe, madame? Remember when we used to say this back in the school? So, all of these verbs are very important in the regular conjugations. Okay, je peux ou puis. Puis is used whenever we form the inversion with je. Okay, so tu peux, il, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, il, elle peuvent. Similarly, for vouloir, we say veut, voulons, voulez, veulent. Moving ahead, venir. Venir is to come. This is again a family verb with devenir, revenir, tenir, and obtenir. Vient, vient, vano, vane, viennent. This is one of the verbs in which the children get most confused with voir, and this is just because of its ending with ILS and L with S. Moving ahead, we will be seeing you for more such videos, and that's it for today for the irregular verbs. In case of any doubts, any questions related to the verbs, we are open. And in case you want more such conjugations, just comment us verbs and we will get back to you. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.